Here we are at Summerfest here in Edmonton, Kentucky, 2026. Got some of the stuff set out. Still got to make some new stuff. Been super busy life. You see all the vendors. Not quite as many as I hoped for, but there's Sarah with her Spiritual Pathways. Got more stuff over there. Got some pork rinds down there. Food trucks, trailers I should say. But anywho, if you're around, come on down. You probably won't be, but Metcalfe County. Alright, until next time, America. Freedom. Love y'all. Be safe, be kind, treat each other well.